Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a portfolio using Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can select a pre-made template or start fresh with a blank canvas. Think about the purpose of your portfolio and what you want to showcase. This initial setup is crucial for a well-structured and professional presentation of your work. Now, let's add your projects. Notion allows you to embed many types of media, from images and videos to PDFs. Use toggle lists or columns to keep your page visually appealing and easy to navigate. For each project, write a concise description, focusing on your role, the challenges you overcame, and the results you achieved. Aim for about 100 to 150 words per project. Customization is key to making your portfolio stand out. Notion offers options to change fonts, colors, and layouts to match your personal brand. Always check how your portfolio looks on different devices, especially mobile, to ensure a great user experience. Once you are happy, simply click Share and enable public access to get a unique link you can share with anyone. Before you share your masterpiece, take a moment to review everything. Check for any typos or grammatical errors that might detract from your professional image. It's also a great idea to get a second opinion from a friend or colleague. Their fresh perspective can catch things you might have missed. And hey, while you're making things look good, remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.